If you're in high school or in engineering college or in a degree college or even already working and you feel confused about your career, if you keep wondering, will AI take my jobs? What should I study so I have job security? Am I choosing something that will become useless? Then this video is for you. Because the real problem is not AI. The real problem is how you are choosing your career. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a simple formula that works whether you love technology, maths, physics, chemistry, banking, arts, or anything else. And no, this is not a fear based advice. This is strategy. In the next 60 seconds, you will learn a formula that can generate future career options instantly. And I'll prove it with two real examples, one related to AI and one completely unrelated to technology. Now, here is what nobody teaches you. You don't choose a career anymore, you design one. Because the future does not reward single skills, it rewards combinations. So instead of asking, what should I become? Ask this instead, what can I combine? Here is the formula, x plus y is equal to future. Now, what is this X? X is what you genuinely enjoy. For example, whether if you're in school or college, think about that particular subject that you really love studying, that you are never worried about that particular examination, and you're very happy about actually going and giving that examination. That subject could be your X. It could be anything. It could be physics, chemistry, it could be biology, it could be history, it could be moral science as well. So do think about your X. And next comes your Y. Now what is this Y? Y, to put it very simply, is what the world needs. Now what do I mean when I say what the world needs? Yes, the world needs a lot of things. The world needs programmers. The world needs AI journalists. The world needs people who can work with sustainable developments. The world needs people who can work in banking. Many other things. So anything that you could think of that the world needs, that could be of your interest as well. That is your why. Now most students choose only X. For example, I like physics, I like gaming, I like commerce, I like history. But the problem is with passion alone, it creates a lot of competition. Think about it one more time. Only passion, it creates a lot of competition because you are competing with a lot of people who like the same stuff. But on the other hand, when it comes to combination, this combination creates positioning. And how we are going to do it, we are going to see in this next example. So let's test this with someone who loves gaming. Now, since everybody around us is shouting AI, let's take Y as AI. Now, this particular student thinks that AI will replace everything. So we apply the same formula here. X is equal to gaming and Y is equal to artificial intelligence. Now imagine using this particular prompt. Act as a future career counselor. I love gaming. I am worried about the future. Now combine gaming and artificial intelligence. Create 10 specific job titles that will exist in 2030 and describe the day-to-day work of any one of them. Let's see what the prompt gives. Now here are the 10 future roles. Let me read it out for you. AI gameplay experience designer, adaptive storyline engineer, AI NPC behavior architect, procedural world generation specialist, virtual economy architect, human AI interaction designer, esports AI performance analyst, immersive reality environment strategist, ethical AI gaming auditor, neuro responsive game developer. You see how many options came up just with the combination of gaming and AI? Now let's describe one of them. AI gameplay experience designer. Now think about what this particular job profile will do in 2030. So we won't just design levels anymore. We design intelligent worlds. The game adapts to players' behavior. Characters learn and evolve. Storylines change based on emotions and skill level. You see what happened here? Gaming never disappeared. It evolved. Same interest, but smart positioning. Let's look at another example from a non-tech background. So let's remove technology completely. Now imagine someone who loves banking and finance and keeps hearing traditional banking will change, the banking rules will change, AI will replace most of the jobs. Now let's apply the same formula here also. X is our banking and finance, and Y is sustainable economy and climate responsibility. Now, the reason I took sustainable economy and climate responsibility is because this is something we are hearing day in, day out. Everybody is talking about it, that how going forward the economy may not be sustainable. So let's keep it as Y and see what combinations comes up. So again, the same prompt, we have put it in any of the AI like ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, and let's see what comes up. So these are the 10 future rules. We have green investment strategist. I never heard of it before. Climate risk financial analyst, ESG portfolio architect, sustainable credit evaluation officer, carbon market compliance advisor, renewable infrastructure fund manager, ethical microfinance designer, impact investment auditor, community wealth strategist, sustainable banking policy consultant. Let's describe one of them. Let's go with green investment strategist. So this particular green investment strategist, they evaluate companies not just for profit, but for environment and social impact. You help investors fund renewable energy, clean water projects, and sustainable housing. You see what happened here? Banking didn't disappear, it evolved. Same foundation, but smarter direction. Here is the mistake most people make. If you choose only X, you compete with thousands, and it is not that easy to choose Y. But if you combine both X and Y, you create a niche, and niches are powerful. The future belongs to hybrid thinkers, not single title chasers. So here is what you can do. Step 1, write down what you genuinely enjoy. Remember what we spoke about, the particular subject that you really enjoy studying, doing, or working with? That could be your X. And step 2, identify 3 global trends. Now, what do I mean by global trends? AI is one global trend that we are looking at right now. The second could be coding or computer science or business analytics, or it could be any other thing that is unrelated to technology, like archaeology, social development, sustainable development, right? So identify 3 global trends. Now on the step 3, I want you to combine them using the prompt that I gave you. Combine them and now use the AI to expand your thinking, not to replace you. Please understand this. AI is not going to replace anyone. It is only going to expand our thinking. Please understand, it is not going to replace us. We have to evolve. And you, my dear students, whoever is listening to this, you are in the right place to actually do that. And now challenge your imagination. On a final note, so first and foremost, you please stop asking what should I become and start asking what can I combine. That question will future proof your career and give you the direction that you're looking for. My name is Praveen Chitrala and this is Studaura, and I'll see you in the next video.